Hi friends, I am so excited to bring you this product review. My friends at Redmond sent me a personal blender and it has quickly become a staple in our household. Guys, I'm going to show you how I make my avocado smoothies that has helped me to take 2 inches off of my waist using Redmond's personal blender. This is a great holiday gift ideal, a perfect gift for your loved ones for Christmas. So let's hop right into it. Cleaning is very convenient. It comes with a soft cleaning brush. It has a flexible ice tray, which is an added unexpected bonus. I love the sleek retro design. It comes with 2 20-ounce BPA-free cups that is super convenient to take with me to the gym. So here I am removing the pit from the avocado. Next, I'm scraping against the skin to take out all of the flesh, making sure you get every last bit out. I like putting avocados in my smoothie because of the creamy texture. It has a 6-point stainless steel blade design, which can easily mash your fruits and vegetables. Did you know that avocados are a belly fat destroyer? Eating 1 avocado per day will shrink your belly fat. You're going to add a 1/4 cup of condensed milk, and I also like to add about a 1/4 cup of regular milk just to thin it out. I don't want it to be too thick. I'm going to screw the top back onto the blender cup to blend it up. I noticed that the blender is not as loud as some of the other blenders I've used. It comes in 2 speeds. The first speed is for blending soft foods like fruit. The second speed is for crushing hard foods such as vegetables and ice. It also has a level P for high-speed stirring and mixing. And once you've blended all of the ingredients together, you've got a creamy and smooth avocado smoothie that is so filling it doubles as a meal. You can make these a day in advance, so if you need to race out of the door, you have a grab-and-go cup in the refrigerator to save time. Overall, this is a really good product. I'm going to leave a link and discount code in the description box below. So check it out, guys.